now how long has your husband smelled like this?
Oh, no, that's just from riding here in a hot car. But, Dr. Hartman, what about his hearing?
Hearing? This is a hospital. I'm not a lawyer.
Oh, for God's sake, is my husband deaf?
Well, there's only one way to find out definitively. Hey, stupid deaf guy! Well, I've gotten the results back. He's deaf.
This is horrible. This must be because of all that loud, blaring music he's been playing in those nightclubs.
What's going on? Can he fix it in time for me to DJ at the music festival?
No.
What?
No.
What? Are you sure?
Yes.
What?
Have a good life.